Hello everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple line chart widget for the analytics dashboard. We will be taking the electricity price feed and visualizing the day-ahead electricity price that we are collecting on one of our locations. We start by navigating to analytics and creating a new dashboard. Let's call it electricity price. And let's add first widget. We have to select a source table, which represents the source of the data, and we want to visualize the measurements of electricity prices. So for this, we will need a couple of columns. The first column will be the electricity quantity. So we have to select quantity name. And since we are in the measurement table, we have access to the measurements in the platform. So we can also add a measurement value and the time when it was measured. Right now we see all the quantities in this environment. So we can add our first restriction where we will limit the quantity names to price only. This way we filter all the unnecessary measurements and only keep the relevant data points. We can also see that sometimes we have multiple measurements per hour, and the day-ahead electricity price stays constant for an hour. So we can also group this by hour. And for a measurement value, we can take the mean or max min. It doesn't matter because in this case the price will be same throughout the hour. Now we can also order these from the most recent measurements, and we can choose which type of chart we want. For this demonstration, we are going to go with the line chart. And here we can also do a couple of adjustments. We can choose the type of the horizontal axis. We can change the color of the plot. And we can add this widget to our dashboard. We can rescale it. And we can view this figure. You can see that right now we see a mean measurement, which is not really nice. So we can go back and we can actually rename this column to day-ahead electricity price date. And then again, keep the settings that we had before. Save the figure. And we can see that now we have a proper label on the figure. So this is one way to visualize data and to do some filtering. And there are a lot of other possibilities how to take raw data or measurements from locations, from ports, filter them, do some other operations on them, and visualize them.